Hello friends, how are you? Topic for today's presentation is tips for investing in the stock market. A person needs to know what he or she is getting into before buying a stock. If you want to keep yourself safe, consider using the tips in today's presentation before you invest in the stock market. Tip number 1. Study and analyze the market very carefully before you decide to invest. Tip number 2. Before committing your hard-earned money, follow the stock market for at least a couple of years. Your patience and observation will definitely help you understanding the markets and making money. Tip number 3. When you own a stock, you own a piece of company. This entitles you to both claims and earnings. You can have voting rights and have your voice heard for the company's leadership. Tip number 4. You must have at least 6 months of living expenses before you decide to invest in the stock market. Tip number 5. Most long-range yields come from diversification. Be sure to have stocks from various different industries. Bear in mind that not all sectors grow at the same pace each year. Tip number 6. By investing in multiple sectors, you will allow yourself to see growth in strong industries while also being able to sort things out and wait with the industries that are not as strong. Tip number 7. Regular rebalancing is very important. This will minimize your losses in shrinking sectors while maintaining a position in them for the next growth cycle. Tip number 8. Do not allocate more than 10% of your portfolio to any one stock. Tip number 9. If you would like to try your hand at picking your own stocks but also want to use a professional broker as a safety net, look for brokers that can provide both traditional and online services. You can manage half of your portfolio by yourself while the other half is professionally managed. When you do this, you gain more control of your investments while still having that professional assistance. Tip number 10. If you are new to the stock market, you need to realize that success may not come quickly. It takes time to develop a strategy, choose the right stocks, and make your investments. And it also takes time to trade until you have the right portfolio. You need to have patience. Many people are enticed by the stock market. You need to have the proper information and make wise decisions. Use this information to your benefit and become a smart investor. Thank you for listening.